it's Gillian, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a slime shop review of Slime Chimp. And I came across this slime shop when I was on Instagram one day, and I thought I would pick up some of their slimes to try out. So first we just have the slime care pack, which has some slime instructions and some borax and some little lollies, and it also came with some stickers. All the slimes that I picked up today were $10 US, and they were all 8 ounces. So the first slime I have here is Cereal Bowl Slime, and this is a glossy slime. And I was so impressed with the scent of this. It smelled exactly like Fruit Loops. It reminded me of eating a bowl of Fruit Loops when I was younger, and I loved that. It was also really glossy and clicky and great for bubble pops and poking, and I loved the texture of these. I think they're called marshmallow beads, but they're foam beads and they're just shaped like mini marshmallows, so I think that's where they get their name. And I love how colorful these are, and they give it a really awesome texture. Next we have Key Lime Pie Butter Slime, and this is a bright green slime scented just like key lime pie. It's super fruity and I loved the scent. Now this is a butter slime texture, and I was really happy with this. The only thing is I felt like it was a touch over-activated. It did feel a little bit rubbery. It wasn't as smooth and soft as other butter slimes I've tried, and I don't know if maybe the air got to it and dried it out a little bit, but I did find that sometimes when I play with it, it would rip, but it was still nice and stretchy and really fun to play with. Next we have Marshmallow Buttercream Slime, and this is described as being a fluffy slime mixed with a butter slime, and it says that it's made with Daiso clay. Now to me this felt more like a glossy slime with just a hint of clay, but it was still a really nice texture. To me it didn't really feel anything like butter slime, but I was still really happy with it, and I loved the pops of color from the bright sprinkles, and it also had a really nice light scent. Next we have a two-toned slime, and this is Fluffy Cotton Candy Slime, and it's a cloud texture, and this was such a pretty slime when it was mixed. It made the most beautiful purple color, and it was also scented like cotton candy, and I loved the sweet scent. Now I felt like this cloud slime was a little dense and it was quite difficult to get a nice drizzle, but overall it was still a really lovely slime, and it didn't leave behind any residue, which I really liked. next we have cake batter slime, and I think this was my favorite slime of them all because I absolutely loved the texture. So this was a glossy slime, and as you can see, it's got colorful little foam beads to be the cake batter. So I guess this is like a funfetti cake batter, and this slime was amazing for poking. It had the best bubble pops, and it also came perfectly activated. I didn't need to add any activator. It was just the most beautiful slime straight out of the packet, and I was so happy with this. I seriously wanted to play with it forever because it just had the best bubble pops and the best clicks. Now this next slime has a bit of an unusual name, and this is Monkey Farts Cloud Slime, and as you can see there are three amazing colors. So we have yellow, orange and pink, and then these really cute little sprinkles on top. And what I loved about this slime was that it drizzled straight away. I didn't need to reinflate it, and I actually liked the texture of this cloud slime more than the previous cloud slime. I just felt that it was a lot lighter and I got a way better drizzle out of it. And also the finished color, once all the three colors were mixed together, was this beautiful pastel orange, and I was obsessed with it, and it had an amazing scent. So this was another one of my favorites. I hope you all enjoyed today's slime review. Let me know in the comments below if there are any other slime shops in particular that you would like to see me review in the future. Thank you all so much for watching, and don't forget to click the subscribe button if you haven't already so you don't miss any new videos. I love you all so much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!